In this video, I explain to you what empathy and compassion mean. I will also show you how to use these qualities in your daily life. Empathy means that you can understand and feel the emotions and thoughts of other people. It is like putting yourself in another person's shoes. In doing so, you try to recognize their emotions without judging them. Empathy helps you connect better with other people. Compassion is a similar ability but goes one step further. It means not only understanding the feelings of others, but also having the desire to help them. Compassion often shows through support or comfort when someone is suffering. It is the action that arises from empathy. Empathy is important because it helps us to be more sensitive and understanding towards other people. It strengthens interpersonal relationships and ensures that people support each other. Without empathy, misunderstandings and conflicts could occur more frequently. Empathy promotes a sense of belonging in a community. Empathy appears in many everyday situations. When you listen to a friend who is sad, you try to comprehend their feelings. Even when you help a family member with a problem, that shows empathy. It means that you pay attention to the needs of others. This way, you become a better friend or helper. Compassion shows when you actively support a person in need. For example, when you help a classmate with a task, even though it doesn't benefit you. It's about taking action to help others. Compassion also appears in small gestures like comfort or a hug. Empathy is especially important in friendships. When you are empathetic, you understand your friend's feelings and can assist them. It builds trust and makes your friend feel supported. Empathy ensures that friendships last longer and become stronger. Compassion also plays a big role in the family. When a family member has worries, you show compassion by listening to them and supporting them. It helps resolve conflicts and promotes harmonious living together. Compassion makes us care for one another and shows that we look after each other. Empathy is also very important in school. You can help your classmates when they have problems or feel insecure. Empathy ensures that no one is excluded. When you are empathetic, you contribute to a friendlier and more respectful atmosphere. In society, empathy and compassion help to enable peaceful coexistence. When people understand and support each other, many conflicts can be avoided. It fosters respect and tolerance among people. Empathy and compassion are therefore important values in a functioning society.